Very warm welcome to all of you. Today in this video I am going to discuss about our solution Retail Forge. So here you can see our retail website. So let me try to explain what is our Retail Forge. So here you can see our AGUI, agentic UI, and here we can see our chat agent assist. So let me run the one query. So meanwhile we can go about the architecture. So this is a production level multi-agent solution for retail intelligence. If you need more details about this, you can refer this link and try to play with this link. This is a live link from this entire project here, and here you can click and try to run couple of prompts. So this is not a retail chatbot, but it acts. This is a nothing but retail agents. It try to recommend some product, find a discount, and lots more things. So basically here we need to identify um, real and play with real and correct retail data. So that's why we took an example of one of the e-commerce giant in US. So this is a real multi retail intelligence. So what Retail Forge does, it will find, recommend, and support. So yeah, and this is the UI of if you want to deep dive, you can see that this is the UI of this entire thing. So this is the entire system architecture, and we deploy everything into Cloud Run function. We use Next.js and Copilot Kit as a front end framework, and from catalog read we use MongoDB Atlas and vector search. And from how we call from AGUI protocol, use Gemini and their embedding, and MCP toolkit to integrate our MongoDB with Google ADK. So yeah, and in Google ADK we have a one root agent and four sub agent: product advisor, recommendation agent, customer support, and billing agent. So customer support will agent help in order status, cancellation, and refund. Recommendation one is which history, awareness, peak. Similar way, product advisor agent try to find a similarity search. Is this stock available or live or not? So these type of things. So as part of POC, we created four agents. So these are some sequential diagram and other things if you want to deep dive. So this is our cloud native architecture. We deploy everything into Terraform. So yeah, let's, if you want to play with our play and you try to find our code here, we put everything whatever we have. Yeah, and here you can see in live. So if I ask one question, so here which agent I use in this particular query, advisor agent will use, and this is a result of this particular query. So yeah, in this way, if you like, this is a nothing but our here you can see our Copilot kit AGUI event. So what are the event happen in AGUI site? So here you can see tool call and other things. So this is only for debug purpose. So here you can see the AGUI protocol and executes a similar way context. Yeah, this is nothing but my context. So yeah, and currently I have only one agent. So in this way, you try to play with it. So these are some sample data. So I try to put some sample data only. But yeah, in production, we have a real time MongoDB data. So yeah, this is all about our architecture. If you have any doubt, feel free to reach out. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.